你是我的学生，难怪你的脸这么脸熟。
我有一个哥哥。
你有一个哥哥。
我有一个爸爸。
我有一个爸爸。那你哥哥叫什么？你哥哥叫什么名字？
康南。
你哥哥几岁？
我的哥哥11岁。
11岁，他上几年级？
他上5年级。你好，我的名字是易安。Don't forget, parent-teacher conferences are on February 2nd and 4th. Bye! Remember, class?
Yeah.
You can still turn in box
to-do list
stops.
right now.
Well, I'm just looking.
And I'd actually.
You can still do it!
We found one that
Box stops are due on February 16th. 13. No, I see.
Valentine's Day, February 14th on Saturday, but we will be having parties on Friday. And don't forget your Valentine boxes.
Okay, so kids, remember to do your homework tonight, and if you have any homework you didn't do yesterday, remember to catch up on that. Oh yeah, and remember that we don't have school tomorrow or the day before that.
What?
What? You didn't know that we don't have school tomorrow?
No.
Well, that's kind of exciting.
Yeah!
Isn't it? Yeah!
We know.